Hi guys, my name is Louis Mullen. I'm a performance analyst based in the UK. Yeah, Maven Analytics has been phenomenal for me, helping me to get a new job and really just, let's say, get rid of the skill deficit that I had going into a new data analytics position. So I basically graduated university in 2018, went straight into an economics position, was there for 3 years, and then did a completely different career change and actually started my own online fitness business, which was just something that I've always wanted to do, and that was coming out of lockdown in the UK. But I realized about 6 months in that this wasn't something that I wanted to do. But what I realized what I wanted to do was data analytics. That was something that I was really, really strong in. But I did realize that I had a little bit of a skill deficit. I did realize from Googling that I needed to improve my SQL skills. I needed to improve my data visualization skills as well. And so I had looked around. I looked at the sort of the Google Data Analytics certificate, did that one. Very, very underwhelming. I'm going to be honest to everyone that's watching this. I think it is the biggest waste of time. I think you probably could watch a 30-minute video on YouTube covering, everything you need to know about data analytics. And so don't do that. And so I started looking again, and I basically looked for about 3 or 4 weeks until I actually stumbled across Maven Analytics by accident on TikTok, of all places, when I was doing a casual scroll on there one day. And after checking out their content, I quickly realized that I think it's one of the most, I would say, sophisticated programs out there. They've got some really interesting self-taught courses, which I'm still doing. I've already got my job after filling in that skill deficit that I had. I'm really impressed with it to the point that I'm still using it. I did the MySQL certification, which went down really well. I also did their Tableau certification, and those two in and of itself got me my job as a performance analyst, basically within a month. I'd say I studied for about 2 months, got those skills, then did about a month of interviewing at different places, and at the end of that month, got my job. But the funny thing about that job in particular was, in the interview process, it required me to query a very similar database to what was on MySQL, on Maven Analytics MySQL certification. So for those that are probably doing it at the moment, or those that will do it, it's very let's say it goes down the marketing analytics route. And the job that I was applying for was marketing analytics. So we were talking about website sessions, page views, all that stuff. And it just intertwined perfectly into the job interview that I had. So I just wanted to say, it's 9 p.m. in the UK right now, but I just wanted to come on this call and just say Maven Analytics was I think it was the game changer for me. And it was one of the main reasons why I was able to get a job so quickly, because they just outlined perfectly the skills that I needed in a step-by-step manner. And so that's why I'm here today as well.